Hi, Monique.
Yes.
Hi, why don't you come on right over here?
On her first visit to Image by Design, Monique was greeted by Denise, the office manager. You'd never guess by looking at her, but Monique's a trucker.
I used to drive 18-wheelers, but now, yes, I now drive downsized to cargo vans.
Monique owns and operates her own delivery service, and as a sideline, she makes lace wigs.
It's just like what the stars be wearing. You see Janet Jackson, Jada Pinkett, all those stars wear lace wigs.
Right over here. Okay. And get your wings.
In her 40s, Monique has 5 children.
I have a 28-year-old, a 24, a 23. Then I have my 2 younger ones, that's 11 and 12.
She's also a proud grandmother, but she's not pleased with what's been happening with her body.
I was very unhappy with the way I'm starting to look as I get older. So I did some research and I came across Dr. Kaiser's website. He had tons of pictures on there of his patients. That's what caught my eye. It shows me that he'd been out there for a while.
The photos and patient testimonials prompted a call to the office, and now Denise was making a good first impression.
She's just like a sister, you know.
Hi. Monique?
Yes.
How are you?
Hi.
I'm Dr. Kaiser.
Dr. Kaiser also made a great first impression.
He makes you feel very comfortable. And any questions, any concerns, I can call him. It brought a whole lot of confidence in, not just the confidence, you know, it just, excuse me, he made me feel like a person.
It was obviously an emotional moment for Monique, and that stems from a former husband who was verbally abusive.
My husband used to talk about me so bad, and it just didn't make me feel like a person, you know. Not just that, but for myself. That's what made me want to do this. And I wanted to be healthy and look good at the same time.
Yes, I agree. The position of your breast is low.
After examining Monique and deciding she would need both a breast augmentation and lift and a tummy tuck to achieve the look she wanted, Dr. Kaiser met with her in his office to discuss the procedures in detail.
The traditional technique that we use basically looks like this.
His sketches and photos helped to give her a good idea of what the end result would look like.
Because we want to preserve sensation.
Right.
All right?
Like most patients, Monique had fears and concerns, but all that melted away with the doctor's explanations. She was soon scheduled for surgery.
Okay, I know it's a lot of information.
The day before her surgery, Monique talked about her feelings.
Got butterflies in my stomach. I'm a little nervous, but like I said, they constantly call me, and I'm comfortable. I'm very comfortable right now, and I know I'm in good hands.
And 3 weeks later, she described her experience.
At first, I was really nervous, but when I got there to the hospital, the nurses were very helpful and made me feel comfortable. And then when Dr. Kaiser came in, I felt even more confident.
The surgery went smoothly, and after a night in the hospital, Monique spent the next week at home getting a lot of bed rest. Her pain was easily managed with medication, and the first time she took a good look in the mirror,
it just brought tears to my eyes, and I was very happy with the results.
You're going to find that probably about 6 to 8 weeks you're going to be feeling kind of like you did before the surgery.
Dr. Kaiser saw Monique a week after the surgery.
He just told me to take it easy. I should be okay in the next, 6 weeks. I am so happy and pleased. Yes, I love you.
This visit happened 3 weeks after the surgery. Monique was driving herself around town and would soon be back on the job full-time. She was also planning for some additional work with Dr. Kaiser.
Second surgery, I'm going to have the lipo. And I'm getting my lower part of my body, my thighs and my hips done.
And 3 months later, Monique was ready for her liposuction. This time, there were no concerns.
I didn't have a care in the world because I knew I was in good hands.
Again, she spent one night in the hospital and used a little medication to deal with discomfort for the first couple of days. And the results?
And then after the 6 weeks came around, that's when I really noticed the difference. I lost a lot of inches off my thighs, and I dropped down 2 pant sizes. I'm very, very pleased with the results.
Today, she's expanding her trucking business, and her wig sales are flourishing.
Look at you. Hello. I heard you talking. How are you?
A stop by the office seemed in order to give Denise and Dr. Kaiser a look at the new Monique. There was some personal news to deliver as well. About 2 months after her breast surgery and tummy tuck, Monique met a man originally from Jamaica. Sparks flew and things moved fast, and 3 months later, she has an engagement ring.
As far as the way I look, my parents just brought something out of me, because it's just like starting all over again, like a teenage girl, and I'm just really, really pleased and happy.